In this video, we are going to see how we can uninstall the Git from our Ubuntu. So for this, just go to terminal and just type sudo apt-remove git, asking for password, and then so it is not. I am not in this user is not in sudo file, so just type sudo su root and then password. So now I switch to root user so it can do all the things. So just again type apt remove git. So it it is saying yes or no. So yes, I want to remove it. So it will take some time to removing the data because I have not allotted the memory to this git. So it has been now it has been removed. You can see here. So if you again want to check Git has removed or not, so again go to terminal and then search for Git Git. Then it is saying no Git not found, so it has been removed. So thanks for watching this video.